YouTube and Facebook. Banded Babe 84. Just wanted to touch base with you guys. Today is day 4 of the 5-day pouch test. So far, very good. This morning I had 2 scrambled eggs again, string cheese, 7 in the morning. Took 15 minutes to eat it. Well, it's probably taking like 10, but you only have 15 minutes. So, finished that. 10 o'clock, had some more protein with string cheese. That was good. Till lunchtime, I had chicken. I had about 6 ounces of chicken. And then I did have, I shouldn't have had this, but I did. I had, my friend had some honey sticks. I don't know what it was. Cracker type of thing. They were like thinner than a pencil. And I did have 2 of those. I mean, I don't know if you guys have seen them, but I know it's supposed to be like no carbs. It's supposed to be protein only, but I did have it, and I mean, I don't know, it's maybe like 10 calories or something. But it wasn't like I had a slice of bread or anything. I mean, I know it's still like cracker form, but like I said, they were thinner than a pencil, maybe about the length of a pencil. I don't know, really thin, really, I don't know. She wanted me to taste it, so I did. I mean, I could have said no, but I did. So anyway, but other than that, and I've been drinking my water. I don't even think I have any with me right now because I finished it. And I don't feel hungry. That's the good thing, is that I do not feel hungry. So that's really good. Dinner, gonna have chicken again. Tomorrow is going to be day 5 of the 5-day pouch test, and that's it. So I will talk to you guys tomorrow. Take care. Bye.